Hey guys, this is Zach with Dreamedia Home Theater. Today we just finished a project here in Plano, Texas. We did the Klipsch Reference Premiere 4000F floor standing speakers, front, left, and right, the 400C center speaker, and the SPL 100 sub. We're powering everything up with a Yamaha 7.2 channel receiver, and for projection we are using a Dragonfly 120-inch high contrast gray screen with an Epson 5040. This is a 7.1 configuration system, and overhead we use for our surrounds and our surround rears, we're using the custom series, the CS 160s. 6-inch in-ceiling speakers. Those have a really nice magnetic grill finish. They don't have rotatable tweeters, but we did calibrate that to adjust for the primary seating area. I hope that you guys found this demo helpful and the information about the products. If you have any questions or would like to purchase, give us a call or shoot us an email. Make sure to subscribe down below. This is Zach with Dreamedia Home Theater. Thanks for watching.
Hello? Is anyone there? I'm trying to reach.
We believe that these titans are just the tip of the iceberg. Which of these titans are here to protect us? And which of these titans are here to threaten us?
You'd want to make Godzilla our pet?
No. We would be his.